Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into a Motorola Edge 30 Pro. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Next step, go into voice option and here tap to voice match. And now click on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, click next and I agree. And now how you can see Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue and click not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.